Hello everyone and season's greeting to the best time of the year. With the holidays all around us, I would like to make and share a classic recipe which is favorite of mine and everyone in many ways. So that is the wow roast chicken. So traditionally we use a deck oven to cook the roast chicken, which required a constant monitoring and expedite chef. And even you need to rotate the tray to get an even coloring and even cooking of the roast chicken. But thanks to Convota Max, which has a core probe sensor, which give a perfect result while using that core probe to cook a chicken. Even you can use a core probe to cook a turkey or a lamb or a duck. So this only not reduces the training cost of a new employee, and it will reduces the that food wastage due to undercooked or overcooked, and hence it saves your food cost. So once your R&D has been done, you can store the recipe in the oven with the original photographs as I did it. So you can save 399 recipe with the original icon. Let's start cooking. Wow, I am getting a nice brown color on my product as I require. So because of the LED light, I can have a clear view of the cavity and I can see the how my product is getting cooked, and which help me for doing the R&D of the product. So we can use a 6-tray oven where I am getting a 7 trays capacity and I can cook 18 chicken in one go. Yes, you heard me right, 18 chicken in one go. So cooking that number of chicken, it will produce more heat, but because of the triple glass door which is there in the oven, it reduces the heat loss which is there, and it results maximum efficiency as well. So that's why I'm evenly very comfortably standing in front of the oven as well. So using the core probe, I can use the overnight cooking function to cook my the product which required long time and very less temperature to cook. For example, if I want to cook a roast lamb or a whole lamb, which required very slow heat and long time process, so I can use my Kawata Max to cook it, and it save my energy, save my my manpower, and hence it will give me a perfect result because of the core probe sensor which is there. So now I want a crispy chicken. So what I can do, I can activate the crisp and tasty mode, which will give me a nice crispy texture, and it will be having the moist, juicy chicken from inside. The same way you can use a crisp and tasty mode to get a crispy bread like focaccia, baguette, even for a croissant. So let's activate crisp and tasty mode to get a nice crispy juicy chicken. Wow! So my oven is giving the alarm, so it is being cooked. I can take it out. Oh, nice smell. So it looks very yummy. So let's see. We can take out the core probe very easily, and you can have this delicious chicken and in your lunch or even in your dinner. So as I talk about, it looks very beautiful, having nice color overall, and it has a nice crispy texture. You can hear the noise. So let me take it out and see how moist it is, because I uses a crisp and tasty mode to get a nice crispy texture outside and have a moist from inside. So I can take it out this chicken very easily to get how moist it is. So let's take it out. So I can take it out. So I can cut it. So I can take it out. Oh, the nice moisture I'm getting. It's very hot. So you can see the nice moisture which is there inside. So my gloves are very wet right now. So but I have a nice crispy chicken from outside. So we can do the plating, and I can serve this, and I can have it, and I can give it to my friend as well. So I am sure that you will be enjoying making recipes like this in the Golfa Max. Till the time I will be, enjoying this chicken, and please stay tuned for the future videos. Thank you. And I wish you a very happy new year. Thank you.